This is Mikey P. And Mikey's the best walleye fisherman to ever come out of Cleveland.
I'm breaking my back, and I'm back in the saddle. Yeah, I'm pushing every limit till it's all I can handle. Goosebumps, I can see it in your face. Fuck around, you're just thinking you're away. Got a lot of fight, because I'm staying alive. Never waiting for another day to survive. If I had a +2, I wouldn't use it on you. Wasting your time seems to be
Did you get in trouble for being late?
This is John, and his buddy Jason runs the Lake Erie Walleye Trail.
Just a little.
Speaking of late, Maggie ain't ever even showed up.
Jason is Mikey's boss.
As we get going partying.
She did clean the condo.
At 5 a.m., I sent him a text message of my watch. At 5:01, he said he's on his way. I said, Mikey, at 5:01, you were late. On your way doesn't count.
I fucked up.
I want to see you jigging with two hands today. That's all. I'm gonna paddle your ass. You can jigging with two hands.
I did that with Lukey and busted his ass. Yep, I did.
If you beat me jigging today, I can't make fun of you for being late anymore today.
Oh, you're ripped. You're done. Forget it. And I will never come late again.
Yeah.
How's that?
That's what you said last tournament.
You never come late again today, or?
Yeah. I won't be late anymore today.
Oh boy.
I need a napkin for that. That's a good start to the day.
Bleeding?
Yeah, I'm bleeding pretty bad.
Oh man, you really got yourself.
I was into the barb. I'm gonna rip it out.
Train wrecks, just bumbling around, knocking coffee over, grabbing treble hooks.
Nothing like a morning launch on the big lake.
That's my $5 ride.
We were a well-oiled machine. And as we motored out to the big water, the strategy for tournament domination was set.
You're going to be jigging with two hands today?
Yeah, absolutely. Watch. Pay attention. You'll learn something.
You can teach us some things, huh?
Why not? After doing this for 40 years, I mean, Jesus, believe me, that one hand gets tired of jigging. You definitely got to use both, so it ain't so much. Wrist just gets tired.
You got wristed. You got carpal tunnel. With
all that great shit. You know, you got it. Yep.
Yanking that meat too much.
Didn't have to. The old lady wore it out. Ain't got to do it no more. Got much speed. Forward.
It was time to get some lines in the water.
Here they are. There they are.
There was money on the line, and Mikey P was ready to defend his title.
Hurry up, get me in. I want to win. Oh, look at, he's got my stuff all hooked up.
Money!
Yeah.
Fish got soap coming out of it. And John comes up. Look at him coming up.
Oh. Lost them.
Mikey P's palms were sweaty. His wrists were weak, arms were heavy, and with little surprise, he came away with the win.
It was a great day for Mikey P. He went against the best, came out a winner on this one, guys. Caught his 6 fish. Got my man Rookie over here. He came on the end, 2nd place right here. You can't beat it. This guy, he learned very hardly, but he got it done.
Very hardly, I learned.
Yep. Whatever he learned, he surely kicked their ass. Right on, brother. Amen.
And after Mikey's win, we hit our limit and it was time to go claim the big money at Wave.
There you go. You want, you can straighten out and try to do it again? Where we got some dummy. Yep.
We're on our way.
Oh no, you're doing good, dude. Look, yep. Go ahead. Go ahead. Straighten out. Yeah, that's hard enough by straightening it out. Okay, keep going. That's what I thought. Watch those telephone things over there.
I feel like we're taking this whole area off.
So what? Fucking
Doesn't matter.
good.
Team number 57, Latitude Outdoors.
Turns out we weren't even close to winning the tournament.
In first place with 36.23 pounds, winning a grand total of $15,080, Team Jimmy Bowman.
Apparently, some of these guys really know what they're doing. But that was okay with us. Mikey P could now jig with 2 hands in peace. Our coolers were filled with filet mignon of the Great Lakes, and it was time to stuff our faces and have a cocktail.
Fucking raccoon, dude. That's the fishing look. What's up, Cooney?
Al's got the original.
Like I
I did it on purpose, too.
I figured I'd give you this. This from me.
Blow it up on
For 2nd place today.
I'm breaking my back, and I'm back in the saddle. Yeah, I'm pushing every limit till it's all I can handle. Goosebumps, I can see it in your face. Fuck around, you're just digging your own grave. Got a lot of fight.
Guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. We really appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm Alex, one of the founders of Latitude Outdoors. And as a thank you for watching the video, we just wanted to give you guys a discount code in case you're whitetail hunters as well. So the code on the website will be Walleye, W-A-L-L-E-Y-E, and you can just use this at checkout. It'll be good on all of the gear. So if you need to upgrade anything, or if you want to try some new mobile equipment for this upcoming season, that code will get you a discount on the website. So anyway, thanks again for watching this video. We really appreciate it, and we will talk to you again here soon.
And they all say